Pop, blend, glow. Medicube Deep Vitamin C Golden Capsule Moisturizer. Your skin's daily dose of radiance. If your skin is looking dull, tired, or just plain blah, it's time to shake things up. Medicube Deep Vitamin C Golden Capsule Moisturizer delivers a next-level glow with its freshly activated vitamin C capsules. Unlike other creams that lose potency over time, this formula locks in freshness with encapsulated Sea Buckthorn Extract, 5% niacinamide, and pure vitamin C, keeping every drop powerful and effective. The result? Instant radiance, deep hydration, and firmer skin that keeps looking better every day. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to a brighter, healthier-looking complexion. What makes this better than your average moisturizer? Simple, it's customizable. Most vitamin C creams come pre-mixed, but this one lets you control the power. Adjust your capsule-to-gel ratio to target wrinkles, dullness, or hydration, however your skin needs it. The lightweight transparent gel absorbs effortlessly, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and never greasy. Whether you need a boost of hydration or an intense brightening treatment, this formula lets you tailor your skincare like a pro. Why settle for a basic moisturizer when you can have one that adapts to you? Visible results, backed by science. Think glow-ups take weeks? Not with this. Clinical tests show a 34.8% increase in skin radiance immediately, and that glow lasts for 24 hours. This isn't just hydration, it's long-term skin transformation. The potent formula fades dark spots, evens out texture, and strengthens the skin barrier, keeping your face looking refreshed, youthful, and naturally luminous all day long. No makeup? No problem. Your skin will shine on its own. Worried about irritation? Not with this moisturizer. Unlike harsh vitamin C treatments, this one is dermatologist-tested, ultra-gentle, and free from artificial colors. It has a skin irritation index of 0%, making it safe for sensitive skin. No redness, no stinging, just pure skincare goodness that works with your skin, not against it. Patch-tested and proven to be non-irritating, it's the vitamin C boost you can trust. So, is it worth your money? Absolutely. High quality, dermatologist approved, and packed with glow-boosting ingredients, this moisturizer delivers more than your average cream. Instead of wasting cash on products that don't work, invest in one that hydrates, brightens, and fights wrinkles in one step. Want plumper, fresher, and healthier-looking skin? It's time to pop, blend, and glow with Medicube.